before there was a cottage here, we called it the Nottage for a long time. Like we were going to go up to the Nottage and camp. And my daughter insists that this is not a cottage. This is a house in the woods. So we've kind of still been calling it the Nottage because it's not, you know, a rustic cabin with lots of bugs and the wind coming through the windows.
Royals are great. We're so impressed with the process, the design process, the execution.
I would say 2 thumbs up. It was really about how to feature the woods outside.
We really wanted to feel like it was a cabin in the woods with access to the water. And we're thrilled that it's all come out.
Well, we bought the property and had it for several years, and we were not planning to build for quite a while. And then COVID. And we thought, what are we waiting for? So we met with an architect who helped us design it and brought it to the folks at Royal, who managed to actually make it happen.
Well, it was really interesting because I don't think we understood what the potential of modular was. And Mike was great. He said, we can do anything. Just bring us your design and we'll find a way.
Came with their own floor plan that they had put together with a designer that they know. And I was able to take that plan and break it into our method of construction. It worked out to be quite spectacular.
And it was really interesting to watch how he fit the architect's drawings into pieces that could be built in factory. And then incredible to do the factory tour and stand in the doorways and on the balconies and start to see it all come together the way we'd hoped from the drawings. Most incredible was to come in on set day and be able to stand on that balcony and think, this is where we've come to from those early drawings.
They're delivering the modules. You can see the tiles in the bathroom. It was quite an amazing experience.
It's pretty incredible. Those guys really trust each other.
Seeing how smart it is to build it in factory, the management of waste and just the efficiency of it, and seeing all the wiring going into the floor joists as they lift the floor joists to put the wiring in. Like, it's amazing to see it. I think it's the corner right here.
The couch. I love standing on the balcony on the second floor, by that second floor railing, and looking down at the great room and out the windows. Mm-hmm. We wanted to feel like we were in the woods, and we do.
Looking out these big windows, depending on the time of day, depending on the season, it just looks completely different. It's like what I would call cat TV.
The guys working on site were fantastic and spent so much time answering all of our little questions. I'm sure they've answered them many times before, but were so patient with us. It's great.
We did a lot of camping in our early years, and that feeling of being in nature was really important. To build it this way and not disrupt all of the surrounding area for months at a time, to really try and preserve the trees and be able to build it within them, I think was really important.
I think one of the things that was really fun working with Jonathan and Meredith was that they were not afraid to play with color, and they were very exciting to play with tile. I hadn't had a client that wanted to have so much fun with tile, and you can see from the build all the different designs they did for the different showers and how much fun that was to play with.
It's not a cottage, but it's the Nottage.